everyone, good afternoon, good evening or good day to you. Thank you for joining me on today's random vlog video, I guess. I don't know how long this video is going to be. I wasn't intending on doing a video on this because it's just random tinkering bits on the ST basically. I have got some bits in front of me here, so I've not actually done a video as well in the underground car park either, where I'm just about to go and do it because the ST is obviously in the underground car park. I'm not at my parents' place doing it, which is a bit of a surprise. So I'm going to see how I get on without tools. So basically, what I've got, you can see my Instagram post, I'm sure it's on the screen. You can go on there, it's AJ Focus, and you can go and check it out. But before we get into this video, you can subscribe down here, or in the corner. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to click that bell notification button as well, so it lets you know when I upload my new videos like this one. And I'm on the Facebook page as well. Yeah, awesome stuff. So, yeah, let's see how this video goes. Like I said, I've not done a video like this in quite some time, like tinkering, you know, not really a big install sort of video, it's just, like I said, just a tinkering video. But I have got this. Like I say, you can see my Instagram, you can get on there and check it out. So you've probably seen this stuff on other channels, other people use it. I've used this on all my cars in the past, even before I started YouTube. If you don't know what it is, this is gold heat reflective tape, quite expensive stuff. What it is, maybe because it's gold, I don't know. Anyway, it's nice. I like using this stuff and it seems to do the job. So I've got a big roll of that. And yeah, I know what I want to do with it, which is why obviously I bought it. I like to also think Recaro, the seat brand. Boom! Oh, yeah, send me out some awesome Recaro, and they're in blue. I wonder if I can show you without peeing it all off. You will see them in it. Yeah. Look at that! Ooh, it's almost like the same colour as the rest of the blue stickers and stuff. I'm going blue in the ST. Yeah, some stickers, bit of gold tape, and anything else. I've got an idea on what I want to do with the ST, little tinkering here and there. But yeah, anyway, let's get down to the car. It is late this evening. I'm absolutely knackered. It's Friday. By the time this video comes out, it probably is like a weekend or during the week. And it's about, what time is it? 10 o'clock, exactly 10 o'clock. My new clock, actually, I was looking around for a clock. Now I realised I bought a new clock when I was on holiday, which is now living down there somewhere. Yeah, there. So that's quite handy. Yeah. It's 10 o'clock at night. I'm going to go down to the underground car park and have a fiddle with the ST, just because I don't think I'll have any time tomorrow to do it. Anyway, I'm all ready. Got my camera tripod there, got my camera, got me my charging brick for the camera, wire, charging camera, one up there, and a jacket because it's winter and it's going to be cold out there. Let's get down to the ST, guys. Stay tuned. Enjoy today's video. As you can see, it is dark up there. And there she is. All covered over, so I don't drive it very often. So first thing first, guys, we need to unravel the cover and then get started. So nice to see her unravelled. Beautiful. Okay, let's get on with it. So welcome to today's video, guys. It's really... So yeah, I don't know how much of this you're actually going to be able to see. Okay, so anyway, gold wise, I'm going to do a little bit more down here where the RSC's hue holder is. Do some more with wiring. The air filter I will remove. And the stainless steel pipe. That part there will be wrapped in gold. The heat protecting shield that I made is also going to get now wrapped in heat gold as well. And the pipes at the back of the engine bay where the turbo and all the, where all the hot stuff is, will be heat wrapped in gold as well. Along the back of the engine block is, if I can get to it today, I'll give it a go because I ain't got a load of tools, but yeah. Will be heat wrapped in gold as well, and with the RS vacuum pipe now going down the side of the engine block, I will also heat wrap the gold the sensor as well, just to protect it from the heat. So yeah, easy peasy. Tools you will need: a pair of snippers, bit of scissors, your wrap, and maybe a flat-headed screwdriver so you can disconnect my air filter. Nice and simple. This gold reflecting heat stuff is made out of fiberglass, and it is freaking itchy. And the best thing to do is wearing gloves, but I don't have any on me, so I'm just going to have to put up with the itchiness. But I'm going to try and touch it too much. Just going to do the pipe first. Maybe 1 or 2 wraps, and it should be done. They look pretty sick. Measure it up first, how much you're going to need to cut. So I think with an overlap. Best thing to do is clean your pipe first, so I'm just going to go to the boot of my car, get a cleaning cloth and some spray that I've got in the boot of the car and give it a quick clean down. Like so. Alright, and that's that one done. Look at that. Cool. That looks pretty nice, doesn't it? I actually like how it's wrapped. This gold heat stuff is actually much thicker, but it just feels easier to wrap. I've not done it in a while. I've not used it in a while. Yeah, this is like really nice quality as well. So that's that pipe now sort of heat protected. Right, next thing I've got to do, guys, is obviously the tray here. I'm not going to... Okay, so I've cut the long strips that I need. As you can see, it's going that way on the panel there. I'm just going to start laying them down over each... just laying them over each other. Alright then, that looks awesome. I'm really happy with the way that turned out. Look at that. That'll keep the heat down. I think I might do the underneath of it as well. So yeah, hopefully next time you see this, guys, it should be nice and gold. There we go. Both sides done. Cracking. Right, let's get that back into place. Right, guys, I'm going to have to call it there because it is now gone 11 o'clock. Oh, the lighting's weird, isn't it? Yeah. It's now just gone 11 o'clock, I think. Yeah, so it's quite late now, and it's freaking freezing, and it is winter. I'm in an underground car park, it is really cold under here. Anyway, I've got what I wanted to get done, is obviously the pipe and the heat shielding, which is awesome. This is really cool. It came out really, really nice. I'm really happy how it's come out. So I'm just going to stick all this back in here. I did do a little bit, just a tiny little thing, nothing really worth videoing. I'll do it when it's a little bit more lighter. I don't really want to muck it up because there's other things I want to get to, and I just can't see under this light under here. And it's right down back of the engine down there. There's a few pipes I want to do. I did do the RS vacuum pipe. You just about see it down the side. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, the RS vacuum pipe. And I did a few more odd pipes. The wiring down here as well, where the ECU is. I did do a little bit more in there, but I think that'll do for tonight, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Oh, before we go, one more thing we need to do is those Recaro stickers. Now I've been thinking where I want them. Many places, but only one place I think will look really, really cool. On the side of the seat down there. I'm sorry about the dirty diesel noisy thing behind me. Ah man, I hate diesels. Well, that didn't stick as well as I hoped. Obviously doesn't stick to this sort of plastic very well, so that sucks, but it took a while. It does need a bit more. I think I just need heat on it. It's absolutely freezing out here, so I'm not going to bother doing the passenger side tonight. I'm just going to leave it like that and hope it holds until tomorrow, until I get some heat on it. Need a heat gun or a hairdryer. That looks cool though, doesn't it? Look at that. They should have done that. So it is here. It's about 11:15 now, so I'm going to end it here, guys. See you on the next video. Take care of yourselves as always, and remember, if you're new to the channel, subscribe and like, and click that bell notification button, and I'll catch you on my next tinkering video, or install, or unboxing. Cheers for watching. I will show the engine bay actually quickly as well. Right, and there we have it, guys. Looking absolutely brilliant. Move the filter over a little bit so it's not touching the wall here, so look at that. And then there's the cold intake down there. As you can see, directly into the filter. Keeping the heat down. Oh! 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 Looks good. Oh man. See you in the next video. Cheers for watching. Yeah, I like that. That's very nice. See you guys soon.